Can we really make money with ChatGPT? Is it worth all the hype? Let's find out. ChatGPT has been making headlines in the artificial intelligence world for good reasons. It's user-friendly and it has great potential to help generate money. Hi, my name is Kiki. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure to watch till the end for a bonus tip. So we all hit a point in life where we must determine our path on a personal and a professional level. The internet has opened doors to many money-making opportunities, and some people have made fortunes. I love ChatGPT because you can instruct it to write a text in any tone you like. So it can be playful, creative, amusing, or serious based on your own preferences. Let's get into it. Here are 10 ways to make money online with ChatGPT. Number 1, content writing. Writing requires you to be in a certain frame of mind, and it's very time consuming. But if used properly, ChatGPT can give you an edge as a writer. Whether you're experienced or a beginner, you can use it to enhance the quality and the efficiency of your work. So how do we even use ChatGPT? First, go to ChatGPT, create an account, then in the search bar you type your topic, and in a few seconds it will generate the answer in the form of sentences and paragraphs. But wait, that's not all. If you're not satisfied, you can even ask it for more details. Isn't that amazing? Number 2, book writing. Writing books is not an easy task, but ChatGPT can certainly help with the brainstorming process by suggesting ideas for your content. Please know that there is no artificial intelligence that exists, at least not yet, that can replace human writers, but some of them can certainly help enhance your work. Number 3, email marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can also be used to generate emails for clients. Based on your topic, ChatGPT can compose the body of your email, come up with a subject line, as well as calls to action. So it can save you the headache of trying to write the perfect email. ChatGPT can also produce personalized, automated responses to customers and generate content for social media marketing campaigns. If you're enjoying the video and are looking for more tips on how to make money online, please subscribe and like so that you can watch all of my new videos. Now on to the next point. You can also use ChatGPT to help you in your e-commerce. E-commerce product description. Writing product description could be a lucrative approach to make money. The e-commerce market is booming. There are tons of online businesses that are searching for qualified copywriters who can create descriptions for their products. So by using ChatGPT, you can develop product description. This is an amazing method to start earning money quickly. Number 5, make an illustration. This way of earning money will require you to use a couple of AI tools to assist with creating illustrations and designs. For instance, you can use ChatGPT along with Midjourney, which is a Discord bot that provides accurate illustrations and designs based on text input. So using ChatGPT, you can enter a text describing the desired picture with all the details. Then you can input the description in Midjourney, which will then give you a richer, more vivid illustration in a fraction of a minute. This is a huge opportunity to collaborate with clients on their graphics without the need to use Adobe Suite or any other applications. All it takes is the use of Midjourney and ChatGPT to accomplish this. Number 6, video content creation. Did you know that video creation requires lots of work and is very time consuming? So let's say you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're on a budget and you're a busy person. Go to ChatGPT. Request a 10-minute YouTube video script on any topic, and it will compose the entire script for you. You can then tweak the text to add some of your personality to it and spice it up. This will save you a lot of time and money. Number 7, social media management. So as a social media manager, you can collaborate with clients to create engaging social media posts, captions, hashtags, and much more. It's really similar with YouTube creators, but instead you're working with Instagram or LinkedIn creators. You can design a complete social media plan for a company without having to spend all of your time researching. ChatGPT handles all of that by delivering essential information to you. Moving on to number 8, codes. Using codes is an intriguing approach to generate money. ChatGPT can certainly help you with that. It can write the complete code with set classes for you. you don't even need to know how to code. You can ask it to create tools for you, such as Chrome extensions or calculators. You can tell ChatGPT to give you a step-by-step process to create a Chrome extension that turns any website into dark mode, and it will deliver. You don't need to know programming to utilize the code. Simply follow the steps provided, and you can easily make a fortune doing this because you receive fully functioning code that takes hours to write. Wow. Number 9, answering questions on Quora or Reddit. Now, this one is really intriguing. You can use Quora to find traffic and redirect it to a loading page, a blog, or YouTube channel. But first, you must find your target audience. Yes, target audience. So how does that work? With Quora, you must find questions in a specific niche. For example, the losing weight niche. Let's say you want to say how to lose weight without cutting out carbs. You gotta constantly provide well-researched answers. So you can go in ChatGPT, type in how to lose weight without cutting carbs, and it will give you some useful tips. Simply read those tips, change the wording, and copy and paste the text in Quora or in Reddit. After a while, once you've answered multiple questions in that niche, people will get to know you, and you would have positioned yourself as an expert in that niche, and people will start following you. Now you have your target audience. As long as you're giving them value, they'll follow you. And this leads me to my final point, number 10, affiliate marketing. Once you have target audience in Quora or Reddit, you can direct them to your website, blog, or landing page where you have the affiliate marketing links. Remember, you cannot post direct affiliate links in Quora or Reddit. This is why you need your website or landing page or blog. Now on to the bonus point as promised at the beginning of this video. One thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT isn't always accurate, so you must double check your facts. Always modify the text provided to spice it up and make it your own. This way you can have unique and high quality content. If you've watched to the end, you're an amazing person. Thanks for watching. If you got value, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It would really help my channel. Thank you very much.